how you can make $500 to $700 or more per day as a beginner with TikTok affiliate marketing, promoting weight loss teas, for example, like green tea, oolong tea, different kind of teas, even on ClickBank, on different affiliate networks, and make great money with it. Now in this video, I'm going to talk about TikTok because everyone is talking about TikTok, but no one is telling you how to actually do it and how it actually works. Okay, the reason why is because I show you in other videos you can watch about my TikTok. I have over 180,000 followers on different channels. On one channel alone, 200,000, and I also have 5 to 6 million video views per month. So why I'm talking about this is because you need the right kind of audience. Okay, as you know, with affiliate marketing, we have low emotional states and high emotional states audiences. There are people behind me right now as you watch this video in those buildings. Okay, and probably they're on their phones. It's morning time. Probably they're on their phones, on the TikTok, scrolling on Facebook or Instagram. Go to Subway, go anywhere, right? And you will see in your country there are people online, especially on trains, on buses, in taxis, in train stations. They are online and they're also buying products, especially after COVID. They're buying products every single day. You can see e-commerce went up, and TikTok is Wild West right now. And the reason why I love TikTok right now is because if you go back in with Facebook 2012, 2016, it was simple and easy money. People were making millions of dollars per month and per year with ClickBank. And the reason why is because algorithm, the pixel, worked really well into your favor. Now it's more harder. Ad accounts are getting shut down. Now you have opportunity to choose TikTok, for example, or Google Ads as well. But with TikTok it's great because it's Wild West. TikTok is going to merge soon with Amazon, with Amazon company. And this is the huge, big news. And you can take advantage of that, my friend, as you watch this video, right? Honestly, what you can do is, for example, I was promoting one of the weight loss tea, right? Kind of like a green tea, but it's weight loss, right? It's helping to lose weight. And I'm making great money, recurring commissions, because people love the product. Another thing is you need to have positive engagement. You cannot shove the product down the people's throat if they don't love it, they don't like it. There is the way to do it in a great way, nice way, where you can add value, high quality product to people every day, right? And that's why I love TikTok, because engagement is number one. You can see I have 50 to 60,000 comments, 2,000 to 10,000 shares on each video that I make. So that's really great. Again, you don't have to show your face. These are faceless videos. And people are commenting, they're engaging. And probably if you're engaging and love the content, of course you're gonna buy the product. Upsells, downsells, cross sells, whatever, right? So the only way you can make money with TikTok is having someone who can help you one-on-one, step by step. I don't sell any courses. The reason why is because I hate courses, because they are mostly outdated. You pay $3,000, $4,000, and then you find out it's all outdated videos that used to work 2 or 3 years ago. It's old. It's not updated for now, 2025, 2024. And that's why I love to work with people one-on-one, with my coaching clients, one-on-one, step by step over the Zoom calls, okay? Where we connect together and we finally get up and running together. All right, so you can promote weight loss coffees, you can promote coffee machines. There are so many products that you can promote. Even with ClickBank, you can promote weight loss supplements, okay, as an affiliate. So that's why it's very important to understand the name of the game, positive engagement, and then running conversion ads. Because people love the product, people love the content, they will share the content. It's free marketing. It's free referrals, basically, right? And if you get only 1 or 2 sales a day, my friend, you're making $300 to $500 in a day with 2 sales. What you could do with extra $400 or $500 a day. You can see I'm traveling to Europe, to Asia, to Australia, to Africa. I share all on my Instagram. I share it all on my YouTube. Not to brag, but to show you what life is possible once you have someone who can help you one-on-one, step by step, and it's not hiding behind some webinars or sales pages, not sharing their voice. I'm even giving you my WhatsApp number where you can connect with me personally, one-on-one. Who does that? Ask to sell. When was the last time any guru on ClickBank or YouTube gave you their personal cell phone number? Okay? That's why I like to be real. I'm a realist. Yes, it's possible to make money online if you have 20 to 30 minutes a day at least. Okay? And someone to help you along the way, because life is short. If you want to fast forward yourself and get results, you need some kind of edge, right? You need someone who can move you fast forward and getting you better results right now. As you watch this video, right? People are in the buying mode right now. It's coming Christmas, New Year, weight loss resolutions, manifestation niche. Weight loss niche is huge. It's big in this time. So give yourself a gift. Why don't give yourself opportunity to make money online with affiliate marketing using TikTok ads, right? Spending $30 to $50 a day and making $250 to $300 back. Right now is huge opportunity, right? So let me know as you watch this video. My Instagram, email, Facebook, it's in the description below. Connect with me if you're serious and if you want to change your life and start having some really, really sustainable results.